I love Cheyenne for the sense of community that's found throughout the city, but especially in our downtown. My name is Desiree. I'm the program manager with DDA Main Street in downtown. It's an organization that works to revitalize our downtown through economic development and other means. We spend a great deal of our time walking and working with our downtown business owners and everyone in and around downtown. And through my job, I'm very lucky because I get to work with a lot of the arts organizations and arts efforts in downtown to help build stronger art and cultural bases. So I am behind the mural projects that we have, the two large ones behind the Fairmount and Majestic buildings, the one that's going in behind Sanford's now, as well as the one above Marv's, and then the one behind Ernie November's as well. So that's probably some of my favorite things I get to do. I moved to Cheyenne in 2012, and downtown was always what kind of struck me as interesting, and was very excited to be able to take the position I currently hold about a year ago now. I get to spend every single day in downtown, and it's fantastic, and I love it. And I love it when the weather's beautiful like it is today, and I can go walk places and see people. I love visiting the downtown business owners and seeing what they're up to and how things are going. Watching tourist season is fantastic. We have our office is on the corner of the Majestic building and 16th and Capitol. So I get to watch people all day as well, so that's fantastic. The plaza events are great. I'm excited for some of the winter events that we're going to have this year. Everything I do involves downtown, and I absolutely love that. One of my most favorite projects that I've been able to be involved with through DDA Main Street, as well as just a personal project that is something I've wanted to do since I was a kid, is we were able to implement and are just now getting ready to start a shared artist workspace pilot program, which is also known as Cheyenne Creative. This program is in answer to the ArtSpace survey results that came about a year ago, which generated a defined need for creative working space for our artists in our community. Our particular program will kick off on June 22nd, and we will be having artists of all kinds into that particular space. We have about 2,000 square feet to house artists. I am super excited. We've got web designers and photographers and painters and people just coming together to work. And the best part is I get to help manage part of that location, so I get to spend my day surrounded by these wonderful, awesome people. So I'm excited for everyone in this community to experience that.